Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2012 Triumph Tiger 800 XC ABS. This is Triumph's full-size sport adventure motorcycle. Has a 799cc fuel-injected 3-cylinder engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has only 8,377 miles on the odometer. Bike is mostly all stock. Runs beautifully. This bike has ABS brakes. Like new tires, front and rear. Engine guards. The 3-cylinder engine makes really good power. Very fun power plant. Runs very smooth. This bike is priced right at only $71.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.